Worshipful Sir, the brethren of this lodge, reposing confidence in your integrity, in your zealous regard for the interests of Masonry, and your ability to discharge the duties of the Master's chair, have chosen you to occupy this honorable position during the ensuing year. Are you willing to accept this important trust? Worshipful Sir, with your both hands resting upon the volume of the sacred law, which is the rule and guide of your faith, you will now pause for a few moments of reflection and commune directly with the great architect of the universe. Worshipful Master, it now remains for me to present to you the gavel. Master, behold your brethren. Brethren of Dr. Yat-Sen, Memorial Lodge number 398. Behold our worshipful Master.